In this video, I'll guide you on how to embed a video into Thinkific. With over 70,000 online educators using it, Thinkific is one of the most popular LMS. Let's dive right in. Before you can embed a video, you'll need to host it online. Today, we'll be using VdoCipher for this purpose. Head over to VdoCipher.com and log into your account. If you haven't set up an account yet, you can sign up effortlessly. Signing up is free and doesn't require a credit card. Since I already have an account, I'll just log in. Once you're on the dashboard, navigate to the video section. Now upload the video you wish to embed. Alternatively, you can import it using any of the available options. I've already uploaded the video I want to embed. I'll click on Embed and then head over to the Quick Embed section. Here, you can adjust various settings to your preference. For instance, you can set the video expiration. There's also an option to put domain restriction. If I specify yourcompany.com, the video will only play on that domain. Leaving it blank allows playback everywhere. Additional options include allowing specific countries, IP addresses, and adding a dynamic watermark. I'll just put my name in the watermark text. You can choose to display the user's IP and timestamp when they view it. There's also flexibility to modify the text color using hex code, as well as adjusting text size, opacity, and more. Once everything looks good, go ahead and click on Generate Embed Code. Copy the generated code and switch over to the Thinkific dashboard. I'm already here, and I've got a course set up. I'll proceed from here. When you're in, select the lesson where you'd like to embed the video. You have two embedding options. The first is to click on the video icon, select the embed code option, and paste it in. Then, simply click on Embed. As you can see, the video is now visible. Let's explore the second method. The second method involves entering the code view and pasting the code directly where you want to embed the video. Afterward, remember to save the lesson. Now let's preview how it looks. There it is. The video is successfully embedded. Key security features include illegal downloads are blocked with Hollywood-grade DRM encryption using Google Widevine and Apple FairPlay DRM protocols. Screen capture blocking in mobile apps. Screen capture blocking in 70% cases in websites. User-based moving customizable watermark to discourage screen capture in REST 30% cases. Advanced restrictions like offline secure download in-app, IP restrictions, and geo-country restrictions. Customize the video player as per your brand and business needs. Add chapters. Chapters are visible on player timeline and in settings section. Add multi-language subtitles. Generate AI English subtitles. Change thumbnail. Change color. Add or remove controls. Edit speed change options. Enable Chromecast and much more. Have different themes for different videos or have a single custom theme for account. Track bandwidth and storage at both the account and video level. Monitor video views at the account level with filters by country and browser, and you can also dive into per video insights for a complete audience overview. Next, manage folder-level playback restrictions to control content access and monitor watch time patterns. Finally, our piracy blocker identifies hacking attempts, logging severity, IP addresses, and methods used, ensuring your content stays protected. So sign up today and get a free full version trial.